Hello everyone and welcome to EduCLAT Law Entrance Exam Series. This episode 1 is to talk about SLAT 2021. We'll be focusing on topics such as eligibility, exam pattern, admission process, form filling process, courses offered, selection process, reservation, admission process, and exam preparation. At the end of the video, I'll be answering some of your frequently asked questions. So watch this video till the end. Before proceeding, subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's start. Many of you have already registered for SLAT, and those who didn't can find the link in the description box below. The mode of the exam is online home proctored. I'll be explaining what does it mean actually at the end of the video. Colleges that participate in SLAT are Symbiosis Law University, Pune, Noida, Hyderabad, and the newest one is Nagpur. Seats offered by them are altogether 1080. Duration of SLAT is 90 minutes, that is 60 minutes for MCQ based SLAT and 30 minutes for your written ability test, that is WAT. Courses offered by Symbiosis Law Schools are BLLB, BLLB Honors, BBLLB and BBLLB Honors. Negative marking, there is no such negative marking. You can attempt your paper without any worries. Official website is given in the description box below, and you can find all the overviews and updates on the official website itself. Important dates of SLAT 2021. Last date to register for the exam is June 4. If you haven't, go and register. The link is in the description box below. Admit card release date, exam date and result date is yet to be announced. They were scheduled and they were declared. Exam was scheduled on 27 June, but it is postponed due to unavoidable circumstances and pandemic. So we'll have to wait for them to release it. Let us come to college and eligibility. So the colleges participating in SLAT are Symbiosis Law School, Pune, Noida, Hyderabad, and Nagpur. The courses offered by them are BLLB, BLLB Honors, BBLLB and BBLLB Honors. Eligibility for you is just to pass your 12 boards with minimum of 45%. And if you fall in the criteria of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, then it's 40%. Fee structure of SLAT. So the test registration fee for SLAT is 1950. For every registration, you'll have to pay 1950, and in addition to that, you're expected to pay the college registration fee also, that is 1000. For say, if you are registering for SLAT, you'll have to pay 1950, and if you want to register for SLS Pune, you'll have to pay 1000 in addition to it. So 1950 plus 1000, that is 2950. Let us come to the reservation part, which is very clearly mentioned by Symbiosis Law University on their official website. So scheduled caste is given reservation of 15%, scheduled tribe 7.5%, differently abled are given 3%, children or wards of defense personnel are given 5%. Kashmiri migrants and Kashmiri Pandits are given 2 seats per program. International candidates are given 15%. There is a bit change in SLS Nagpur reservation. They provide Nagpur domicile reservation too, that is 25%. So if you reside in Nagpur and you want a college nearby, it is the best thing to do. Go and register right now. Now let us come to the main thing, that is exam pattern. The SLAT MCQ based paper comprises of 5 sections: reading comprehension, that is of 12 marks and 12 questions each. General knowledge, logical reasoning, legal reasoning, and analytical reasoning. Total makes it 60. The weightage of SLAT exam is 50%. The WAT comprises of 20% weightage and your PI, that is personal interview, is 30%. The duration of each test is 90 minutes, 60 minutes for your MCQ, and it is followed by 30 minutes WAT. There is no negative marking for any wrong answer. All sections are mandatory. WAT for SLAT will be evaluated by respective institute's program for which you have paid and you have been shortlisted. It comprises 20% weightage. WAT scores will not be declared along with your SLAT scorecard. Now let us come to the admission process. It is very simple. You have to register. The link is in the description box. Admit card and exam dates are yet to be announced. A merit list will be generated after your personal interview. Every college will come up with their own waiting list, and after all of this process is completed, your college will commence. These are some of the frequently answered questions. Now let us come to them. Is SLAT a good option in 2021? To be honest, there is no clarity in CLAT. So I would suggest you all to fill up such good options, and SLAT is a very good option. If you don't want to waste time and join college before other law schools, then go for it. Second one is important topics for what. So EduCLAT is coming up with a compilation of important topics for your written ability test. Stay tuned to our Telegram channel. It will be uploaded there. Link is given in the description box below. Which courses to opt? The courses are offered on your scores. Know yourself. Analyze how much you can score, introspect yourself, and choose accordingly. Courses do not matter, your college does. And they are one of the best in India. Fourth one is date of exam. It is a home proctored exam, hence the dates are expected to be released anytime soon. Prepare well for it. Personal interview. We'll be taking a live session on YouTube after SLAT MCQ exam. So stay tuned and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't. Pause the video and go press the bell icon. Last one and the very important one is online home proctored exam. Many of us do not know what exactly is online home proctored exam. So the basic instructions for SLAT is given on the official website. You can visit the website. The link is in the description box. Candidate can take the test from safe and secure environment of his/her home with a desktop or laptop. You need to have a webcam, integrated webcam, and an internet connection of 5 Mbps at least. Candidates should keep in mind that during the test, your conduct will be invigilated by artificial intelligence as well as human proctoring. Candidates are requested to take the test honestly, ethically, and should follow all the instructions. Do not, I repeat, do not indulge in any kind of cheating or malpractice or recording of any kind during the duration of your online entrance exam. Failure to adhere to these instructions may lead to your candidature being cancelled or may also lead to appropriate legal action as deemed fit. You can be barred from writing your other entrance exams also, like CLAT, or if you are willing to write ALET and BLAT. So please do not indulge in such activities. Basic instructions for SLAT are: candidates should be seated in front of the desktop or laptop, facing the screen and webcam throughout the entire duration of the test. Candidates should be seated in a way that there is enough light to capture his or her face clearly. Please sit in a well-lighted room. Candidates should be in formals or smart casuals while taking the test. Please do not sit in your night dresses. No one else should be present in the surroundings other than candidates during the test. A mobile phone with the primary number that was fed at the time of registration should be lying next to the candidate. It is not for you to go for some malpractice, but to contact your authorities if you find any issue while attempting the test, or for the authorities to contact you if they find any problem with your test. No other electronic device is permitted. Candidates cannot open any other application window during the test, and if anybody is caught doing so, it will be considered as a violation and your screen will turn off. You will be barred from writing the exam. It is strictly advised that the candidate does not leave the seat during the test, not even for bio breaks. Candidate is not allowed to use a calculator during the test. A plain paper and pencil are allowed for rough work. Please keep the paper between you and your desktop or the laptop so that it can be seen through the webcam. Candidates should make sure that they are using the same laptop or desktop for all the tests. Any attempt to impersonate or indulge in any malpractice identified at any stage of the admission process would disqualify the candidate from the admission processes to all UG programs of Symbiosis International and may also lead to appropriate legal action as deemed fit. Last year, many students were rejected at the time of admission, and also there was some problem while attempting the test, so they were given another date for another test. So you can contact the help desk. The contact is provided at the official website that is given in the description box below. You have to appear for IBA, that is internet-based assessment. It is recommended to use a PC or a laptop for the test. This is all about SLAT. We have launched All India mock test on your former D-Day, that is 13th and 14th of June 2021. If you haven't registered, find the link in the description box below. Find links to our various social media handles in the description box and stay tuned for more such entrance exam updates. Thank you.